In the vlog, I tried today make an intro, so welcome to the vlog. Hope you enjoy. Wow. Playing some cornhole. Oh. Okay guys, if you're wondering why Oliver hasn't been in his vlogs, because he's actually at a camp right now that he's counseling for like a whole week. So it's just me on the vlogs right now. I'm sorry, I know you guys love Oliver so much. But right now we're going to get tickets to a minor league baseball game for tomorrow that we're gonna go to a Trace, maybe film a little bit, you never know. Let's go get it, boys. Oh, we got the tickets, boys. Hello. Oh, the grilled cheese for the boys. Okay guys, it's the next morning, but right now I'm about to go to this nature camp with Trace, the boy. We're gonna go like explore nature for the day. Then we're gonna go to a baseball game in the afternoon. So gonna be lit, boys. We made it, boys.
Separate ways? No. We'll kind of stay together.
Hey, the Jazz suck.
Yeah, so who made it farther last year and what place did we get?
Donovan Mitchell's a trash can. He's triggered.
No, I'm not, because I know that the Jazz are going to do better than the Lakers, because Lakers literally had LeBron and they didn't even make it to the playoffs.
Hey guys, he says Jazz.
Actual shit. Whoa! Yeah!
He says Jazz are going to be top 3 next year. Are you sure about that?
Clippers are first.
Hey, what are your predictions for
Clippers number 1, Rockets 2, Jazz 3.
who's 4?
Not the Lakers.
Who's 5?
Not the Lakers.
Who's 6?
Not the Lakers.
Who's 7?
Lakers.
Hey guys, just here to clear up some things. I do not dislike the Jazz in any way.
Well, I hate the Lakers.
I just think they're not going to be top 3 next year. Hope you guys understand. Hi, Cascade Springs. Okay guys, we're about to go to this museum, but right now, you know, with the boy, we're eating some lunch right now. You already know, time to eat, boys. We're gonna eat hungry, eat up. I love eating hungry. I wanna go inside, man. Finish your cookie.
Give me a minute.
Hustle. Thanks, man. Okay, boys, we're in. Wow. Wow.
Oh my gosh, look, it's an elephant, man. It's an elephant, dude. Oh, man, oh. Oh.
Birdies. Okay, guys, so this is the homie. You already know. Mallard is the homie.
Where's the mallard? Oh.
Get a good look at him. Okay, guys, we're done at the museum. Did you enjoy it?
The hippo scares me, dude. Scary.
And what were your favorite parts of the museum, man? Favorite parts of the museum?
The birds singing mallard.
Okay, what are we doing now?
I don't know.
Okay, guys, so I just got back from the nature camp. It was pretty good. Right now, we're gonna go to the baseball game. So maybe Nickel might make a surprise appearance on the vlog. You haven't seen him in a while. You already know. Got the boy with me. My boy, let's go. Okay, that was a little much, but okay, guys, made it in the field. You know, I was walking in, so we have these grass seats over here. Pretty sweet, right? I was just walking, you know, looking. BP was done, so I didn't have any chance of getting balls. But look, boys, we got 2 balls. Let's go. Okay, guys, the boys are here. Hey, got the popcorn. You know,
what do you want to do?
bees are winning 14-4. Let's go. So many home runs, haven't caught any yet, but
I got one.
no, none. Okay, boys, the game's over.
Kill them.
It's firework time. We won 17-6, right?
Yeah.
Hey, you may go to the game tomorrow, though.
2, 3, 2 more. 2 more.
Why are they playing country? How'd you guys feel about the game?
Pretty awesome.
So much fun.
Oh, I'm sorry. Just checking to make sure because we didn't get any balls.
Okay, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. You have to make sure to wake up a little bit, and
It was fun.
We'll see a new vlog tomorrow.
That's such bad quality. It's insane.